Hey guys, Noah here. I'm just gonna take you guys along with me today. It is Tuesday and I have my son in daycare. I do take him to daycare just once a week so that he could like socialize and not just be stuck in the house with me all the time. I'm going to cook something right now. I'm going to make this shakshuka from Trader Joe's. It's so good. It's like a starter kit. Growing up, I always had it since I am Israeli and my dad would make it from scratch. And it took a lot of work. Like you have to cut up tomatoes and green peppers. That was always a lot of work. And this one is so cool because it pretty much comes with, let me show you guys what it looks like. If you're lazy like me, this is literally perfect. So it looks like this. And it's basically just like a frozen cube and it's got all the stuff already in it. It's pretty small, like I would say it's good for one person. So what I do is I add to it. I add a can of diced tomatoes to it as well as tomato paste. I love this tube of tomato paste from Trader Joe's. It's so cool because it doesn't go bad. Like what I was doing before was buying the cans and it would go bad after like one use. Like I could not store it. I could not figure out how to make it last. So this is perfect. It says refrigerate after opening and it's completely sealed so it lasts. So I will show you guys what I'm doing. So it's literally the easiest thing ever. You just need kind of like a deep pan. Like I would say not something like this, not a frying pan, but just something a little bit deeper. It's not even that deep. And then you're just gonna wait for that to kind of soften up a little bit, so I will be covering it. So I'm going to make breakfast for me and my boyfriend. He's working right now from home, so he's here. We usually dip like bread into shakshuka, so I was thinking I bought these bagels from Ralph's today that look like they would be really good, or I have like pizza, which we usually do, but I think, yeah, we should save this for like when we eat it with cream cheese, so I'll do the pizza. And I love to keep my pizza frozen so that it lasts a long time, and then all I do is toss it in the microwave pretty much, and then I fry it up a little bit. So yeah, after breakfast, I think I'm just going to spray paint a few things. So I will take you guys along with me to do that. I'm gonna try to go downstairs so that I'm not like messing up anything in my apartment. We have like a little side area where my apartment building is. So I'm going to do it there, and yeah, I'm excited for it. I've been working on my son's room. Let me show you guys a little update while this is heating up. It's gonna take a while, but let me just show you guys a quick update. This is what it looks like right now. I basically put in this wallpaper. It's so cute. It's like little dinosaurs. I'm obsessed with it. I found it on Instagram, and then we did mount like a little tiny TV for him. He's got a little chair that he sits in to watch TV, but I'll probably get something bigger. And then I have all his toys in here. And then I did install these bookshelves the other day, as well as something for his stuffed animals up there. So like this area right here is kind of done, but then this area is not. So I'm going to spray paint this frame black because the silver doesn't go with any of my decor really. And then I'm going to put something different in the frame because it's a kid's room now, so we don't need that. This used to be an office, so that's kind of why that's there. I did order like a cute table and chairs to go here, and then I want to order like a little easel or something because he loves to draw. He's got his cars, and then I do need to hang this up somewhere. I just don't know where exactly I'm gonna hang it. And then the walls are pretty dirty. I did try cleaning them, but it's just not getting clean. So we're thinking we're gonna paint this wall, like completely repaint it white. So yeah, that's pretty much the process so far. Let's check on the shakshuka. Sizzling. Still a little frozen, but not bad. Probably gonna lower the heat a little bit. And I will be adding this diced tomatoes. I'm waiting for it to heat up, I'm watching Love Island on my phone. Do any of you guys watch this show? I'm literally addicted. Like, they have an episode pretty much every day, and every time a new episode drops, I'm like dying to watch it, but I'm trying to save them up so that I could binge, because I love binging, but it's really hard because I want to know what happens. But if anybody watches it, let me know, and let me know who your favorite person is. I think my favorite girl is Sally, and then my favorite guy would be Connor, I think. So let me know who your favorites are and why. Love that show. So my shakshuka is bubbling a little bit. So it's pretty hot, and I'm going to add in the eggs. So what you have to do is just kind of make space for the egg just by moving, like making a little pocket. And then you just literally crack the egg in. It couldn't be any easier. And then that's it. It's so simple. Now all you do is cover it and lower the heat a little bit, not too much, and then you just wait the eggs to poach. And I think traditionally you want the eggs to still be runny so that when you bite into it, like the yolk runs out, but I don't like mine like that runny. So I do mine a little bit longer, and I don't time it. Like, I don't have a, oh, you need to do this for 5 minutes. I kind of tap the egg with my spoon and see how hard it feels. That's just how I gauge it. So I'll show you guys when it's done, and we're gonna eat, and then I'll probably film a little bit for my skincare video that I'm working on, and then I will go downstairs and spray paint. So, oh, let me show you guys the spray paint colors that I got. I got this one, it's warm caramel. This one's ivory. This one's like a really cool grainy textured one, like a cool textured spray paint. And then I just got matte black. So I'm going to do the frame in matte black, and then that blue console right there, I want to spray paint that in ivory. I actually asked you guys over on Instagram what color I should do it, if I should do black or ivory, and you guys said ivory. So I'll be going with this one, so I'm excited about that. I don't know if I'm gonna get to it today, but maybe. I just think that would look so cute because there's really nothing else that's like blue in here. Yeah, I'm excited about that. I will check in with you guys as soon as my food's done. I feel like this is probably foreign meals, like for some people, like they've never heard of it, or have never thought to have something like this for breakfast. So let me know if you have had shakshuka, or let me know if you want to try it. But it is tradition for me. I grew up eating this, so I absolutely love it. It's delicious, so flavorful. Basically, I just eat it by putting a scoop of it on my pizza. Such a treat. And like before Trader Joe's had the starter kit, I would probably only make it like once a year, to be honest, because it's a lot of work to like cut up all the vegetables. And so having it so easy and accessible is so great. That's why I love Trader Joe's. So I'm going to eat this, call my boyfriend in to eat it with me, and I will talk to you guys soon, probably as soon as I'm spray painting. So I'll see you guys soon. Alright, so spray painting went pretty good. It was so funny when I was down there. I saw this huge like baby tarantula, like furry spider. Freaked me out, but I ended up still staying and I spray painted it. Hopefully it comes out good. Honestly, I don't know if I wrapped it that good, but either way, it really doesn't have to be perfect. And then once it is dry, I'm gonna bring it upstairs and I'm going to put some of the wallpaper in the frame as the decor until we find something cute that we want to hang there. I don't know if it's going to be a photo or if it's going to be like a cartoon or something he likes, but I'll just leave that for now. And then I'm going to catch up on Love Island because I'm just, I have 20 minutes left. So I'm gonna chill, probably have a coffee and a snack, maybe some cookies, and finish Love Island, and then finish the frame, and then I'm going to probably just clean a little bit around the house. So I will catch up with you guys when something interesting is happening. So I'll talk to you guys soon. Man, the spray painting is harder than I thought. I totally messed up my nails. Like, there's black all over them, which is a bummer. And the frame got painted like through the cardboard that I put on it. Like, it did not cover it at all. It's all over. So I have been able to get it off with just some soap and water and this sponge. So I'm going to keep going and get it all off. So I'm not too worried about that. And then I'll just show you guys when I hang it, and then I'll probably end the vlog. It's crooked and it's not it, but for the meantime, oh God, it's so bad. But for the meantime, this is gonna have to do. From like super far away, it doesn't look horrible, but close up, like the black is everywhere. It's so gross. Couldn't even figure out a way to tape that down properly. It's dirty on the inside, so I taped it down like that, which looks horrible. And I could not get it to be straight in there, so it's definitely crooked, but this is gonna be super temporary until I can just find something else, which I definitely will because I hate this. But yeah, that's it for now. So thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. Don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe to my channel before you leave, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.